こんにちは、帰り先ライダーです。今日はリノのハーレーに来ています。僕のブレイクアウトが預けてあるんですけど、サービスアドバイザー、修理を担当してくれてるメカニックじゃないですよ、マネージャーみたいな人とちょっといろいろご相談しに来ました。ということで潜り込みたいと思います。Service department over. Got it. Thank you. ファーストジョニーはないからなさそうです。ロードグライド。I'm here to speak with Dave.
Dave?
Yes.
Okay. You're right here talking to the guy.
Oh, okay.
Something I can help you with?
I spoke with him yesterday, so
Okay.
yeah. My bike is in here for a repair.
Okay.
I was in a motorcycle accident.
Breakout?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you Joe?
I'm Red. No, I have.
Oh, I spoke with you, yeah, a couple of weeks ago, yeah. Thank you for your help.
The snapped handlebars.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't mistake that one.
Yeah, I'm hoping they found the key fob.
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay, good,
Yeah,
perfect.
there was an envelope.
Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, I spoke with the driver of the towing truck, and he said, okay, I gave everything to Joe. So.
Okay, yeah, I called him.
Okay, good. Perfect. Yeah.
Yes, sure. He's got a few things to go over with you there.
Yeah. Okay, I'll wait for him then. Dave, nice meeting you finally.
You too.
Thank you for your help. Appreciate it.
So let's go back and look at the bike. I got it on the skid. We took it down so we can go look at it.
Okay.
It's the triple trees. They got turned and they hit the fork, and there's a nick in the fork for the frame. So
Did you see the paperwork? The estimate. This is the estimate from the Geico. About $8 grand.
yeah, but they're wrong. So.
Oh yeah, I know. And then those are for the parts that you asked to identify it.
Oh, okay.
This is the mirrors from Amazon, cheap ones.
Okay.
And then these are the foot pegs, yes.
Oh, from eBay. Okay.
And then the lights,
Yeah,
the headlight, was from custom made,
Yeah, because I couldn't find any of that stuff from my vendor, so
Okay.
I need to.
Got it.
So these are all my copies.
Yes, you can keep that. There she is. It's been a while.
So if you look, let me get my light out.
So I put a lot of time customizing myself.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff on there.
Yeah,
That's why.
but I did it all by myself. So
Okay.
I thought about fixing myself, but you know what? I cannot do forks and stuff.
Right. No, the forks are bent.
Yep.
And if you look at the triple tree right here, it went all the way back, got broken. See that? And if you look right in there, it hit the frame. That's
Okay.
If you want to get back.
Do you mind if I
No.
take the video too?
No,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Can
Yeah.
you see it without the light right there?
Uh-huh.
See right down in here, you can see the.
Yeah, I
hit
saw that. Yes.
Hit the neck.
Uh-huh. So it's not
So-
gonna hold it, right?
Yeah, so anytime we have any kind of frame damage, especially when it goes, it could be tweaked a little bit,
Uh-huh.
or it went down to the frame, and then,
Uh-huh.
and then you have a rusting issue over time.
Are you talking about this frame, the main
Yeah,
frame?
the main frame. See right here. If you get over where I am and look right in there where my finger is.
Okay, got it. Huh.
So that's
I
right
see
in
it.
next
Yeah,
to me. So if it hit hard enough and it tweaked that just a little bit,
Uh-huh.
when you're going down the road, it's going to feel funny.
Yeah.
So most of the time when there's any kind of frame hit, we
Uh-huh.
usually replace it.
Okay.
If we do that,
That's gonna be a huge job, right? I
it's
mean,
going to be a total though. They're going to
Yeah.
total it out.
got it.
And then they'll want to pay you off and you'll have to get another bike. So,
Okay.
so that's what I wanted to show you because
Uh-huh.
it tweaked pretty hard. I mean, your forks are bent and it hit so hard that it broke the triple tree and hit your frame right there. So,
Okay.
so it's kind of scary not to replace a frame because you don't know if it's bent.
Is that a little thing right here?
That's where the triple tree hit. When it was like that, it hit your frame right there. Yeah.
Okay.
So, and there's no way of telling if it tweaked the frame a little,
Yeah.
you know, you don't know.
Got it.
You know, there might be stress marks up here, but I wouldn't know until I took it all the way apart.
Got it. Okay.
But it looks like it hit pretty hard. So like I said, it broke the triple tree and all that stuff right there. So
I was only riding like at 25-30 miles, but the lady just cut in front of me, so I couldn't stop. I mean, there was no time to react.
Is it her fault?
Yeah.
Is it on
So I broke the collarbone, and I had a surgery 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
So I don't have my sling today, but I can move my left hand right now. So pretty much driving in one hand. Okay.
So, I mean, the way I'm going so far, I got parts of over 13 or 12.3, I think I told
Right
you.
now?
And I haven't put that stuff on there,
Right.
the light. And I haven't put labor on there yet either.
So by the time you put
By the
everything
time I'm
in,
done, it's going to be total down.
yeah. Okay. So what's the next step?
So
You
the
do
next
that,
step is
and
I do that. I send it to the insurance company.
which is Geico, yeah.
Okay.
And then
they say, okay, it's totaled out.
Mhm.
And then what you also need to do is get a list of all your aftermarket stuff, so they can pay you for that too.
Okay.
Right? So they should be able to give you like the price of the vehicle. I don't know if you owe any money or not.
20分ぐらい話してましたね。いろいろ見せてもらったりして。で、結論から言ってしまうと、あのバイクはもう乗れないかもしれないですね。フレームに傷が入っちゃってて、パッと見だけじゃ曲がってるかとか歪んでるかとかわかんないから、それを判明させるには全部外して、フレームのショップに送ってなんか計測するとかそういうことになっちゃうらしいんで、そんなことやってんだったらもうフレームごと取っ替えるのかな。そこまでやるんだったらもう新しいバイク買った方が早いっていうことになって、ネバダ州では修理代金が 65% 以上になるともうバイクそのものの価格を保険会社が払ってくれるそうなんですよ。だからもうそういうことになるだろうって言ってました。まあ、200万ぐらいになると思うんだけど、日本円でお金もらって新しいの買うか、それかそのお金で引き取って今の自分のバイクをね、保険会社から直して乗るか、いやちょっと考えますわ。寂しい限りですね。3000マイルしか乗ってないのに、キロに1000も乗ってないからな。いや困った。まあそういうことで、これからどうしようかな。ラーメンでも食べて帰ろうかなとかで、はい、じゃあちょっとなんか食べに行きましょうか、昼飯。では昼飯来ました。昔ここ一回来たことあるんだけど、家族でラーメン食べてこうかなと思って、せっかくリノまで来たんでね。中華やってんのかな。まだ開いてない。いやーしかしちょっとショッキングですね。あのバイクにもう乗れないかと思うと、まあでも仕方ない。また一からやり直しって感じで、次は何乗ろうかな。ローライダーかロードグライドかストリートグライドか、こういうベアリングがついてるやつ、まあ考えますわ。来ました。つゆなし担々麺ビア。いただきます。いただきます。うまい。まあ、担々麺のつゆなしバージ、パンチも効いてますね。辛い。味玉はどうだ。卵半熟、美味しい。味も濃すぎず薄すぎず。この間ほらサンフランシスコで冷たい担々麺食べた。あれも美味しかったけど、これはあったかい方。これも美味しいけど。いや、すごい。いや、チェックプリーズ。めっちゃお腹いっぱいだけど、ほぼ完食。この肉も最後に食べる。
Are you finished with it?
Still working on it.
Okay. No rush. No rush. And then yeah, just this one. Awesome. Did you need this copy?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll leave that there for you.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you
so much. Question. Are you able to send me like final receipt?
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me print that out.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.